The 2026 Newmar King Aire, the rolling palace of infinite horizons. What happens when uncompromising craftsmanship collides with boundless travel ambition and the grandeur of a moving five-star estate? Introducing the 2026 Newmar King Aire, the rolling palace of infinite horizons, a hyper-luxury land yacht crafted for connoisseurs, visionaries, and wanderers who demand the crown jewels of comfort. This is not just a motorhome, it's a sovereign realm on wheels. A presence that commands the open road. At 45 feet of commanding elegance, the Newmar King Aire is designed not merely to travel but to reign. Every contour is wind-carved, every panel mirror-polished. The signature Newmar grille, wrapped in brushed platinum, anchors the majestic front. Adaptive crystal beam headlights illuminate every mile, while sculpted chrome fenders and a panoramic diamond glass roofline create a silhouette worthy of royalty. Interior, the imperial residence. Step through automated grand entry doors into a sanctuary where refinement meets opulence. Italian silk wall panels, hand-stitched leather lounges, and solid walnut flooring set the tone for a journey without compromise. The floating entertainment console is wrapped in piano lacquer ebony with embedded mother-of-pearl inlays. A holographic fireplace adds warmth and visual poetry to the lounge. The dining salon features a levitating marble table, gourmet induction chef's suite, and retractable crystal decanters, all designed for feasts as regal as the view. The master chamber offers a cloud suspension king bed draped in Himalayan cashmere, framed by cascading light sculptures and a ceiling projection of the night sky. Motorized panoramic curtains reveal the changing landscapes with every sunrise. Spa pavilion of tomorrow. The en-suite spa transforms travel into therapy. Heated onyx floors, hand-carved jade vanities, a walk-in aromatherapy rain shower, and an infinity steam room. Gold thread towels, adaptive scent diffusers, and therapeutic soundscapes create an atmosphere where body and mind find perfect harmony. Technology at the service of majesty. 32-inch command crystal orb interface. Voice adaptive biometric access control. AI-driven butler with route trip planning. Twin-turbo diesel-electric hybrid, 900 plus HP. 0-100 km/h in 6.1 seconds. Magnetic glide suspension with predictive terrain adjustment. Safety, sovereignty signature personalization. Level 3 autonomous navigation with 360 degrees thermal vision, side wind compensation AI, and kinetic braking recovery offer both confidence and serenity on the road. Through Newmar's Crown Atelier program, personalization knows no bounds. Choose exteriors in royal platinum, imperial maroon, obsidian velvet, or celestial white gold. Select interior worlds like Desert Mirage, Alpine Moon, or Sapphire Estate. Monogram the leather thrones, engrave your crest into the cabinetry, or commission hand-painted ceiling murals. A realm without rival? With a starting price around $2.9 million USD and fully customized Crown Sovereign editions surpassing $4.8 million, the 2026 Newmar King Aire is not just a motorhome, it is your reign on the road. Because when you own the crown, every road is your kingdom. Tell you Sabroken Bar. Would you choose the King Aire for your world tour over a penthouse suite or a private island retreat? Like, comment, and subscribe for more journeys into the art of rolling luxury. This is Auto Explorer Update, say where the road becomes your royal procession.